apply this only in Hong City that was authorized to apply for the new curriculum in high school. Now, next school year, full implementation na so na database sa inyo, sa ACOC. That's why, last week, kung paano there was a survey in ASAMU kung sa inunanahan ng course of college. Ay akin na i-cover ang inyong subject paper elective kung sa inunanahan sa college. Okay, so preparation here at ACOC, we'll be having a lot of discussion po niya. Pero, ang target namin is complete ninyo ang 2 years. We wanted all of you to develop a total package for each of you. Baka na, nagiging ako magmumok sa academics, we are also going to provide a lot of student activities that will help you more and strengthen your knowledge, leadership skills, to socialize with the rest. Dapat kahit yung friends after this afternoon, a chat. We will be creating a chat room for your class. And later on, I will be sending a memo to our teachers. There will also be a separate chat room for your exams. And because we wanted them to know all of you kung kaya status sa inyo, your status here at school. Okay? The coming days will be very busy and going to be very enjoyable for all of us. And we sincerely hope that you will be learning a lot, experiencing a lot, make friends, and make sure that you can know our classmates. Our teachers are here. They are so far. And they treat them as your second parents, second mother, second father, kuya or ate, ayaw siya at mga teachers. Ayaw niyo magtara sa mga inulit at sila pwede. Ayaw niyo magtara sa life and birthday. Kaya namin we wanted there should be a separation. Anyway, on behalf of the school administration, again, welcome to ACLC, and I sincerely hope all of you will have a nice school. God bless and have a good afternoon. Okay, how about academics? Okay, by the way, I have Mr. John Real advisor for the Supreme Secretary of this government, and I'm here in front of you to introduce the people behind ACLC. Okay.
Aron kailata.
Okay, next, our Managing Director, Mr. Elias Louis. Pag-iamit now. No, pag-iamit now. Kaya ako na siya dati. Diba? Hindi na lang dati. He is the owner and the Managing Director of ACLC College of Borbon. He owns the ACLC College of Borbon. Tatlo ba ng Nawe. So he is our Managing Director. No, bakit ako usually ay na siya sa school? No, just greet him. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Okay? Next, we have our school director. No, the speech kanina, well done, remarks to you. Our very own Mr. Kelly P. Haushan. Next, we have our senior high school coordinator. No, dito kaya kasayaw mo nila to siya. So, sayaw na mo rin siya niya. No, Miss Judy Rose Alinaya. Next, we have our college chief, Dr. Davodil Nanuya tayo. To be followed by our student affairs office. We have our student affairs officer, no, pinakamusgan, no, pinakagaging daw mo rin sila, anak sila, dito sili, no, Mr. Jonas Molato. Next, to be followed by, no, Wapo Dili, ang mayroong Dili, nakagawa, Wapo Dili, Wapo! Diba yun, I am your SSLG advisor, at the same time your guidance advocate, because our guidance is not yet available for the meantime. Next, we're followed by my partner. This is my partner, Mr. Roman Sito, the college advocacy coordinator. We have also here Ms. Janice Hayaan, our communication advisor for the party. These are mga journalist area. These are ayaw ng mga treatment. May nalaman, mga journalist. Na-approach ng Janice Hayaan, maganahan mo join sa ating publication. Next, we have our sports coordinator, Mr. Carmen Lapaya. Our sports club is the ECLC Titans Sports Club. Ano siya yung logo? Next, we followed by our safety officer, school training in charge, at the same time, the emergency response team advisor, which is Mr. Ariel Tayo. Para po para sa Bicol. Pero mga Bicol na nila, hindi kami yan, hindi mo happy, what mo sa CR sa clinic. Pero mag-alit sa clinic, hindi naman to. Naluwa ng commission po, together with our ERT, meron silang gagawin sa side. The ERT, isa yung mga ERT. Wala silang ERT naman. Okay, next we have our library in charge, Ms. Josephine Alinaya. Let's go down our admission office. By the way, these people who help you enroll, enroll with you. First, we have our OIC admission office, Mr. John Lemon Kilay. So, what's our picture? So, natin sa Victoria Dojo. Next, we have Ms. Angelica May Rosal, our admission staff, and Ms. Hussein Bulaki, our admission staff, and also placement officer. We also have Mr. Russell Kenyalas. Picture ninyo, picture ng pamilya. Our OL coordinator, and Ms. Melanie Cabajo, our LIS coordinator. So that's. We also have Mr. Franklin Rebecca, our human resource coordinator. Let's move on to the register. Here, these people loading the applicants sa inyong mga credentials. Hintay na submit na Form 127. Ay submit na bang tangan? Wala ka? How about your PSA? Wala ginamon? Tapos yung PSA wala. Narehistro wala. Tapos mahulurog mo. Diba? So your credentials, all the papers and documents needed must be submitted at the registrar's office. We're going to like this submit. And here our school registrar, Engineer Maria Elena watching, Ms. Terry Joy and Mrs. Lau. Mr. Governor Junior Carragher, you can call him Sir Jun. Like Sir Dominador, no? Sir Jun, Sir Jun Jun. Makita niyo sa register. Next, we have Mr. Joven Sabon. And we also have Ms. Rina Marino Panyas. And lastly, Mrs. Christine May Ilocon. Okay. At our accounting office, kung ito mga mukalit o uniform, kung mga pay, or need na ito mga bayaran na here na sa among accounting office. Okay, we have here our accounting clerk, Ms. Mary Ann Mendoza. We followed by Mr. Darius Escobar. Kung ganahan mo mukalit o uniform, kung siya yung pagkitaw na kapalit na uniform pa na. Alam ba? Kahit lang mo mukalit. Waksan, ano regalo kapalit. Next, we have our school cashier, Ms. Norma Padilla. We also have here Ms. Virginia Espinosa, our finance clerk, Ms. Jolene Taberos, and Ms. Josefa Gina Lamoste. Let's move on now to our technical and laboratory staff. First, we have Mr. Belijan Villa. Kita ko na siya magpa-picture. Kasi makakita ko niya ang ilong ko without vlog. So, wala siya sa amin ng laboratory. We followed by Mr. Rob Esconde. Makita niya siya. So, especially ang pagkakroon na ako mga students, usually yung mga taong-bahay. And then, sa laboratory. So, for our software laboratory, our S-Lab, so siya si Sir Ralph, si Sir Ralph. And also sa our kitchen, mali makita yung si Sir Dennis Orosio. Okay, next, we have our faculty staff. First, we have our English language department. By the way, guys, this will be your teachers. So, kita mo pamahayaw sa complete wall, ay kumutong niya, masayaw mo niya sila. Kailangan mo kita niya masayaw? Nadilin na mo, nadilin. Kaya lang, masayawan na ito sila. Okay, first we have Miss Janice Ayay. Bayan ko niya ay nagtuwa ng mga pak-pak-pak-pak. Next we have Mrs. Gladys Marces. Miss Anne Francis Hotel. Miss Christine Matubila. Mr. Renel Nickerson. Ano ba siya? All of those people teaching English language. No? Ito yung mga subject na English. Bakit ba kayo? Walang lang. So, basta mga English-related subjects. Next, we have our Filipino language department. We have here the very beautiful Mr. Gilbert Cabile, which has Snow White faculty. Next we have Ms. Eloisa Garcia. Next we have Mr. Danimar Valiente. And last but not least, Mr. Jude Simon Pagalan. Makita niyo yung si Jude Simon Pagalan ay yung kumpensa kayo. Next, we have our science department. Asa mo mga STEM? STEM ito. STEM master. Isa ka mo. So, usually kami sila, calling yung mga teachers. We have Ms. Lori Ivy Tiaga. We have Mr. Ramon Sito Jr. Lovely Marilia. And Mr. Rufino Bernias Jr. Okay. Makita ko rin yung usually science teachers o kung major subjects sa atong STEM na cluster. Next, we have our math and business. So, we have here, Robilo, and then there's a time, actually, mo kami sa ako, hindi kayo pinakasigan, pinakagwapo, pinakalamig na teacher sa ACLP. Mr. Charlie Naiman! Wala mga pagpapin! Next we have Ms. Vincent Olaparco. Next we have Mr. Robert J. Paito. Para itong mga business and entrepreneurship na ito. Okay, Mr. Robert. Next we have Mr. Joshua Velarde Jr. Kaya siya Jr. Daw ko no, at siya na ko. At teacher niya, kaya Miss Diana May Moinana. And Miss Maria Stephanie Calderon. Nakoy na-invite. Wala na. So, mga siya ang math and business teachers. Next, we have our physical education department. By the way, ano sila? No? Wala yung ulo ninyo pangsayaw, pangkanta, o mga palitan ko ganito ko na sa Sergio, o sa Sergio. So, watch out for leader. Kitaan na naman natin sa lepuhan ko, mobile na nakapos niya kaya sa tumangan. So, ay iiyak na niya yung pinigil na mga picture. Okay, first we have Mr. Rico Maria, something is next we have Jason Herrera. Next we have Mr. Vincent Mayhew. We have Miss Julius Santibar na siya. Ikaw na siya, isayuran na. Next we have Miss Leslie Morano. To be followed by Miss Diana Rockland. And we have also Miss Kisley Manchetta and Mr. Ricky J. Sumay. Complete name nila, Ricky J. Then we have our IT or Information Technology Department. For those mga tech pro na po, under one nila. Okay. We have Miss Ellen Jimenez. We have Miss Angelique Ramirez. Ito yung animation, tech pro animation. Tech pro animation na wala. Tech pro animation. Kasama mo. So your major subject will be Miss Angelique Ramirez. So mag-focus na po drawing na niya. So pag-uwigan mo niya sa ating mouse and keyboard. Okay? Next we have Mr. Russell Villarreal. We also have Mr. Philander Pamamer also. Okay, ito po mga Tech Pro CSS. May Tech Pro CSS. Tech Pro CSS. Computer System Services. Nawala. No? So your major subject will be Mr. Oso. So, handang naman mo, tutuan mo niya ang tawag pagkuba kung pag-ayo computer. Ay nawag ka makiba mo sa pag-ayo ilang pagkuba. Next, we have Dr. Mona Matko. And ayun na sa hospitality management, where our Tech Pro family machinery